Good morning, students. Now, all of you see page number 40. I am reading food crops other than grains. So, all of you listen carefully and try to understand. Sugarcane. It is a tropical as well as a subtropical crop. So, sugarcane, which is grown, cultivated, where in a tropical area as well as in a subtropical area. So that sugarcane, it is a tropical crop as well as the subtropical crop. It grows well in hot and humid climate. So it requires for growing which type of climate? Hot and humid climate with a temperature of 21 degree Celsius to 27 degree Celsius and an annual rainfall between 75 centimeter and 100 centimeter. Irrigation is required in the regions of low rainfall where there is a low rainfall. So for growing, for cultivation of sugarcane, it requires to supply proper water. Means we can say that irrigation is required. It can be grown on a variety of soils. So which type of soils it requires for growing? Different types of soils, variety of soils, and needs manual labor from. Now you can see this picture. Now by this picture you can understand sugar cultivation, figure number 4.8. You can observe carefully. This is the you can easily understand sugar cultivation, this one. Now students, I am reading our remaining paragraph. Now all of you see this one. It can be grown on variety of soils and needs manual labor from sowing to harvesting. Means it requires hard work, more laborers from sowing to harvesting. Are you understanding, students? From sowing to harvesting means from beginning to up to the cutting the crops. It requires lot of labor means we can say the manual work as well as we can understand the laborers. India is the second largest producer of sugarcane only after Brazil. So India is the second one. Now you can understand this. Second country, our country is the second country after Brazil. Means Brazil is the first one. Where? In the producing of sugarcane. It is the main source of sugar. Now sugarcane, by the sugarcane we can get what? Sugar, gur, we can say the jaggery, and khansari. Now here khansari, and this one you can understand, this one molasses. Now we can get from the sugar cane what? Sugar, gur, jaggery, khansari, and molasses. Molasses means we can say shira, or a thick brownish, we can say the syrup produced in the refining of raw sugar. The major sugarcane producing states are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Bihar, Punjab, and Haryana. Now these are the important and major producing sugarcane producing states. So you have to find out and locate also on the given political map of India the major sugarcane producing states. Okay, are you understanding? Now I am reading about oil seeds. In 2015, India was the second largest producer of groundnut in the world after China. Means in the production of groundnut. Our country, India was the second largest producer after China. Now in rapeseed, now here underline the rapeseed. Rapeseed means used widely for animal feed and vegetable oil for that purpose. So such seeds are called rapeseeds. So in rapeseeds production, India was third largest producer in the world after Canada and China in 2015. Different oil seeds are grown covering approximately 12% of the total cropped area of the country. Means different oil seeds. Means, in our country we cultivate different types of oil seeds are grown covering approximately 12% of the total cropped area. Means 12% of the area we cover by the production, we can say the for the cultivation of oil seeds. Now students, try to understand. Now main oil seeds produced in India are groundnut. Now you can underline also in your textbook. Main oil seeds produced in India are groundnut, mustard, coconut, and sesame. Sesame means here til, we can say. Soybean, custard seeds, cotton seeds, linseed. Here linseed means we can say the in Hindi alsi etc. Linseeds and sunflower. Now all these are, we can say, the main oil seeds which are produced in our country. Now students, most of these are edible. Now for whatever the seeds which are grown in our country, most of these are edible and used as cooking mediums. For the cooking purpose we can use above seeds. However, some of these are also used as a raw material in the production of soap. Now we can use some seeds as a raw material in the production of soap, cosmetics and ointments. Now I am reading this one. Groundnut is a kharif crop and accounts for about half of the major oil seeds produced in the country. Gujarat was the largest producer of groundnut, followed by Rajasthan and Tamil Nadu in 2015 and 16. Linseed and mustard are rabi crops. Now, sesame is a kharif crop in north and rabi crop in South India. Custard seed is grown both as rabi and kharif crop. So, students, now about tea and another food crops other than grains which are we are reading. So we have to read about the tea and about coffee. We'll read in next clip. Thank you very much.